Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to insert checkbox in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To insert checkbox in Google Docs, go to your Google Docs and open the document, and here I have a multiple choice question and I have 4 multiple answers. Now I am going to add the checkbox here. Just keep your cursor in front of your answer and then you will find a checklist option here. Click on the drop down. Here select the right box and look, the checkbox is added, and then you can add that checkbox again. Click on checklist. Again click on checklist and again click on checklist. Now you can select the correct answer from here by clicking on the checkbox. If you wish, this is the easiest way to insert checkbox in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.